family involvement is a key element of Nature Explore, because the greatest predictor for caring about the environment as an adult can be tied back to those positive early experiences with the natural world as a young child. And for parents to support that engagement with the natural world, it not only builds those bonds between children and nature, but it also builds those emotional connections between parent and child.
Can you see where it turns right there? I see.
I got to be outside a lot growing up. I grew up in Montana and invented a lot of games and got to have a lot of nature play and a lot of wild time, a lot of free, unstructured time. And I know that that was really important to the development of my creative life. So it's important to me to provide that for my son Henry.
What's underneath there when you look into there? What do you see?
I saw little eggs.
Little eggs?
The Nature Explore Families Club activities are really designed to be catalyst activities, kind of the germ of an idea to get children and parents started exploring the world together, and then really, in that developmentally appropriate way, letting the child take the lead in exploring and learning more about the environment.
My younger children who have participated in Dimensions and where nature is really emphasized were very naturally engaged in that environment. My older son, who didn't have that experience at Dimensions, took a little longer, and it was fun to see, for a change, the younger ones drawing him in to how exciting it can be to be in nature and all the neat ways you can discover things.
As a teacher leading a families club activity, the reason that it's easy and fun for me to do is that it is all about the child's interest, and so just giving them a little bit of the beginning of an adventure, and then the children take it in their multiple directions.
I wonder if some bugs were eating inside here to make. Do you still have your pencil?
I don't have to have a lot of that scientific information and background in order to be able to facilitate that kind of experience. I'm just alongside the family, modeling the sense of wonder and asking lots of times the same kinds of questions that children are asking, and being excited about the experience so that it is a fun, shared experience that happens. You just need to be comfortable outside and play alongside families as they're making these kinds of discoveries.
A lot of water. Oh, that's a rock. What's this?
One of my favorite activities in the Families Club kit is the What is Beautiful to You activity, because that's one that if a family has a toddler who's not even walking yet, they can do the activity and just be noticing what the child is noticing. And the fact that it is so multisensory, that it can be a beautiful sound or it might be a beautiful smell, that it really kind of opens people's eyes to the fact that anything can be beautiful and there's no wrong answer. We all have our own opinions, and taking the time to notice what's beautiful is so helpful for all of us in our fast-paced society.
As an environmental educator, I think it is so important to really provide experiences for young children that are developmentally appropriate. Helping children have opportunities to explore and discover, both on their own and especially with parents, with a caring adult, having those formative experiences in the natural world.
One of the most gratifying things about leading this club has been that now that we've done it for several years, lots of families choose to participate even after their children have graduated from our preschool program.
At our oldest son's elementary school, we're working on a project that we're hoping to incorporate a Nature Explorer classroom into a larger master planning process. And we're particularly excited about the outdoor classroom component because it kind of gives us a chance to kind of extend some of the activities that we might do at a family club event into the playground of our children's school. It's just a huge opportunity, not only for our kids, but for all the students at Prescott, as well as the families in the neighborhood, which is also a really important part of the health of the overall neighborhood. If kids have a place that they're excited to go to and really are energized by, they're going to be out there on a regular basis, and they're going to be playing, and they're going to be moving around, and that is fitness. That's what it's all about. You want to combine fun and healthy activities, and that's what some of these outdoor classroom situations can, I think, provide.
For young children, it really isn't about delivery of content information. It's really fostering those experiences in the natural world that develop that sense of wonder.